What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a tune. I'm gonna be doing MHD tune. This video is sponsored by Snapback Lane, so go ahead and hit that link in the description to their website. I got their Instagram below, got the location to the store, so go ahead and give them a shout. But down to the tune. I got my MHD tune today. As you can see, it's backwards, but MHD tune. So what I'm gonna be doing first is I haven't seen too many videos on YouTube on how to tune properly, basically. But first thing you do, if you have an Apple device, they're now on Apple, so you don't have to have an Android device. Okay, so all you gotta do is go to App Store. Come outside so you can see it better. Well, you can't see it better. Come over here. Alright. Sorry about the glaze. MHD. So since I have M4, this is for the F series and G series, which is the new 3 series, and the F series is the M5, M4, M3, and the M2 competition. So obviously, since I have it already, it's gonna be download right here. Then you download. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the app. This is the new app. You got your flash right there. This is off the shelf maps right here. This is flash back in. I don't know what that is. I think that's if you have JB4 and you want to connect your JB4 to the MHD. And this is a custom map. We go here. I signed in with my Apple account, so yeah. So now since I have the flasher module plugged in, I just bought the flash, so I'm not gonna show you guys, but so you wanna go to products, shop, sorry, and then it's gonna show which one do you have. I don't have that one since I have a S55. So the letter and the numbers are the kind of motors that are in your car. So I don't have the N13 F series. I don't have the F series, and 55. This is what I have, the S55. So you want to click on that, and then this is what you need to buy. This is just the license right here. This is all you need to get a GTS or CS map along with Burbles. You don't need to if you don't want to go stage 1 anyways. This is the super license, which you get all access whenever. You don't have to keep paying over and over. Then you got your stage, you got your map packs right here, which is, I believe, stage 1. Well, let me click on it. Actually, not sure. Okay, yeah, this is stage 1, stage 2, I believe, or just stage 1. I don't know. Either way, I'm not getting stage 1 yet because I don't know if my crank hub has been replaced or not, so I'm gonna wait till I get extended warranty on that before I go ahead and go stage 1 and stage 2. So since I bought my voucher, my license already, you're gonna go back to the app, and then you're gonna go here. You're gonna go to license store, I believe. Then you're gonna click redeem voucher, but you have to have it connected, I believe. Understood. Then you're gonna enter your voucher. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter my voucher. Okay, so after you've entered your voucher, your code or whatever, you're gonna click OK, and then this is gonna load, and then this is what's gonna pop up. Voucher redemption for flasher license successful. Click OK. and then you're gonna go back, and then now you want to go into the flash a MHD map, but you have to have it connected. So once you have that already, you want to go back to the Wi-Fi, turn your phone to airplane mode, turn Wi-Fi to on, and what you want to do is connect. What you want to do is connect to the MHD module. So let me turn this back off and turn it back on. So it's going to connect to the MHD module. Then you want to go back to MHD's app, and then you want to click on I'm clicking on the GTS map to get 500 horsepower. So I'm going to click on MHD stage 0 GTS map. As you can see, I'm going to click on options to get the Burble tune. I have catless downpipes, so this is for if you have your OEM cats on. So I have catless downpipes. I'm going to leave that off. I'm going to remove top speed limiter. I'm going to turn on exhaust burbles. So bass is for if you're in comfort mode, efficient mode. So I'm going to turn that off. So sport is when you're in sport plus, I believe. I'm going to turn it to 2 seconds. The aggressiveness, I'm going to change to hard. The minimum RPMs, so like that's when you're above, it says 1200, so that's when you're above 1200, and it's going to do the burble, and below that it won't. So I'm going to turn that off, so that way it will burble whenever, even in neutral and stuff like that. I'm going to leave that off too, which is minimum speed. Like if you're at a high speed and you're above 50, it's going to burble, but below 50 it won't. I'm guessing that is. Cold start noise reduction, I'm going to leave that off. Exhaust flap always open in sport mode, I'm going to turn that on. I don't want to start up roar because I've heard some people have like issues with that after they do that. Next I'm going to do that's all. So you do have limit power by gear, but I'm not going to do that. Then you have the ignition coils, but those are OEM. So I'm going to go back up top, make sure I clicked everything I wanted, go back, and then so another thing too, if you have the module, which you can't see right now, but if you have the module, you don't really need to connect it to a battery charger, because it takes less time compared to if you have your phone connected to the OBD, which they say you do need a battery charger or a tender connected to it. So since I have that, oh yeah, you want to also put your car on, not turn it on, but just like leave it on. Now I'm gonna go to let me go back here, make sure everything's clicked. Go back, long right. Now it's connected. You're gonna get different chimes and different errors on the dash, but don't worry about that, it's gonna clear after. So now you can see here it's flashing ECU, please wait, erasing section 1. So yeah, you see different errors up there, which will clear after. So after it's done flashing, you want to turn off the car for 30 seconds until you turn it back on, and then you'll be straight. So all these errors that's up here now is going to clear after the tune is done, and then you turn it off 30 seconds, leave it. Also do not turn off everything in the car, your radio, your AC, headlights, anything you can turn off, turn off. I turn off everything, like the lane departure, all that other stuff down there. I turn off the lights, turn off the AC, turn off the radio. And you don't want to be going in and out of your car. So you're gonna leave the door closed. So it's got 1 minute left. So you want to turn your phone to airplane mode so you don't get any interruptions in signal or somebody calling or texting, whatever. So that way it won't mess up the tune. So coding successful, clearing codes. So yeah, it's very user friendly. So success, wait 30 seconds. So you took right time, it took 3 minutes and 3 seconds. That's with the MHD module. So if you have the OBD KDCAN, whatever, plug, is gonna take longer than that from what I've heard. So I don't know, I haven't even been counting, but I'm gonna wait probably like 2 minutes before I even turn on the car. So let's look at the car. This front lip looks so much better. I just washed it today also. This front lip makes the car look so aggressive. Now I just need to go a little bit lower to close up this wheel gap right here. Alright, so it's 5:43. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car. Let's see how this works. I definitely heard the burbles. Let me see if my check engine light is still on. It is off because I have my catless downpipes. Let me give it a little rev. Okay. Mind you, I have the GTS tune. Let me turn on. Oh my goodness, it sounds. So another thing I want to do is I want to do the GTS style transmission flash. So I'm going to click on that. Long right, click on long right. It's going to contact the DME. The one I have right now is, well, the one I'm getting, I don't know what that is, if I have that or if I'm getting that, but DCT race, which is the GTS, which is the race version of the M4. So you're gonna get all these right here. Okay, so the GTS map for the GTS tune for the transmission tune, basically was not working. So now I'm trying the CS tune to see if that works, because it kept saying, I tried it twice for the GTS tune for the transmission and it kept saying failed. Okay, failed to right section. I keep getting this. So I am going to flash it back to OEM. Let's see how that works. Now let's see if it goes back to OEM. I've contacted MHD, but I haven't gotten a response back yet, but I'll show you guys what it says after. Okay, so since I kept getting a failed error for the GTS and the CS tune, I decided to just reset the whole ECU back to OEM. So I flashed the whole thing back to stock. Now I'm gonna redo it. I'm not gonna do the transmission. I'm just gonna do the regular stage 0, which is the GTS 500 horsepower tune, and I'm just gonna do the Burble along with that. I'm not gonna mess with the transmission until I hear back from MHD support, so I can see what's going on with that. But yeah, I'm gonna retune it and then I'm gonna go for a drive. Alright, so I reflashed it to the GTS tune, so it was a success. I'm gonna wait till 6:23 just to be on the safe side. So I still have a drivetrain malfunction. I also have some other malfunctions in here. I don't even know what's going on. I got all these. Let me go into the vehicle info, vehicle status, check control. I got drivetrain malfunction, chassis stability, stabilization, collision, inactive. Obviously I turned that off. Pedestrian warning malfunction. Okay, hopefully, can I even move it? Okay, so that's completely off. I can't even. Okay, so I'm gonna flash it back to OEM because this is crazy. Stock, flash. So you want to click on stock, flash back to stock. Let me turn on the car so I can contact the DME. Flash back to stock. So what I'm gonna do is just try and just do the Burble tune and see if that works. Because if I can't drive the car, then I mean, I don't even know what I'm about to do, to be honest. I did everything as I was supposed to, and I got the drivetrain malfunction and all those other ones you've seen up here. What's good, you guys? It's a whole new day. So I was able to fix this tune. It was such a bad day yesterday, man. I put the camera down. I was like, yo, I'm over this. So basically, I tuned it, and then I tried to do the GTS tune, and it basically messed up the car. It messed up transmission. I had a drivetrain malfunction. I had a chassis stabilization error. I had like 5 errors. And I was trying for like 4 to 5 to 6 hours, to be honest, and it would not work. So one of my friends, that's a BMW tech, told me what to, well, he didn't tell me what to do. He just tried a suggestion, which was unplugging the battery and try and let it rest for like 30 minutes. I did that, but it still didn't work, and I was just so pissed, like, what the fuck. And then I flashed the transmission back to OEM, and that obviously kept going successful. So after that, I believe, or after I did the OEM flash, it completely cleared out and everything, so that was good. And then I did the GTS tune, just the tune, not the transmission tune. Did that again, and it worked. Now I got the Burble tunes, and I got 500 horses. As they say, it pulls super hard though. I'll give you that. I don't want to do like a exhaust open. I don't want to do an exhaust open review, whatever, because it's actually loud, and then the burbles and all that. So, but I'm about to go to this car meet. Well, not car meet. It's like Cars and Coffee / rally. So you guys will see that in the next video. But this is just me clearing out, giving you an update on what happened with the tune. But yeah, so tune into the next vlog to see the cars I'm gonna be cruising with in the rally. Cars I'm gonna be seeing. I'm going to Cleveland, so yeah, subscribe, like, share, comment.